Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at what I have here. I have the FPS gaming headset for PC, HG03. Let's go ahead and try this thing here. Here we go. So, looks like it's going to connect up from USB. That's cool. I thought it was going to be a 3.5 millimeter, but nope. It's this one here. So this will be it here. Whoa, hey, I am cool. Breaker, breaker, come in. Okay, let's put this in to, I'm gonna try it on my Mac. I might be really loud because I can't hear it. Okay, let's see how I do this. Okay, I'm gonna try listening to something. I'm gonna go to one of my videos. Oh, it's not that one, that doesn't have sound. How did I end up there? Oh, I guess I have to change my audio. It's coming out of the computer, not coming out of this. So let's see, I think I go to system settings, or up here, I think I go to the sound volume thingy. Where is it? Volume. Oh, that. And then HG03 is what the device is called. So you want to set your output to that. And I totally hear it. Okay, so let me see. Oh no, it's coming out of there now. What happened? Did I unplug it? Okay. So we have our volume control here. And so I can control the volume on there and then do this volume here. You guys can't. Oh, I totally thought you guys could hear it too because it was just so loud. Okay. But, so it does that. I have my volume here. I have my microphone, and I think that's probably the mute button as well over there. So I can control my mic volume and my other stuff. I can turn off my mic there. Let's see if we're missing any other points here. It sounds really good. Let's see. Okay, here's the little manual. I'm gonna just move it aside just because it has a good noise cancellation of everything else. I think I might be screaming. Okay, so FPS button is what that one is there. Okay, and then we have mic volume, speaker volume, and mic mute button. We have the soft padded cushions and the microphone here. So it seems to work, everything seems good. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to record something. So let me stop this and go into, what's this thing called, photo booth? Photo booth where it'll just record a video and stuff of me. And then I can say the sounds to record a video. Oh, doesn't want to do it. Oh, there it is. Okay. The video's not showing up. I think the camera might be unplugged. I think when I plugged this in, I had to unplug that one. But, okay, so I'll stop it and I'll play it back. There's me. Wow, it sounds really clear. My voice, I don't like my voice. I don't know. Oh, I don't know my microphone. I don't think you guys can hear it. But it does sound great. And it's got the left and right. Let me stop this. I hear it coming through there. Left and right. And it's got the microphone pickup here. And you can set, if you have a Mac, you have to make sure you set the right devices that it's recording from and stuff. So that's one thing to just be sure of. But it seems nice and it's good. It's got a nice long cord here. I'm going to guess it's probably 10 feet or so long. And it's a nice soft cord that's flexible too. I know sometimes you end up with those cords where it's just so uncomfortable you don't even want the cord around you. But this one here is good, and it works good. And NUBWO, I guess that's the brand, and it's really soft padded ears, and it sounds great. And it makes such a good seal around my ears. It's just hard to, I don't hear anything else going on around me. So I'm in my own little isolation. So playing games, doing anything else, anything you want to hook up to a USB device too, you'll be able to hear it and do that. Be good for podcasting or anything like that as well. So you can totally use it for anything. So really good, but I guess it's a gaming headset because the sound goes quickly. So thumbs up, really like it.